Hi, M5637. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, everyone. I'm Glyza Martinez, 40 years old. I live in San Ignacio, San Pablo City. I'm a single mother of 4 kids, 22 years old, 16, 15, and 11. I am Roman Catholic,
And your highest educational attainment?
high school graduate.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Saudi Arabia from 2016 to November 2016, right? Almost 10 months. What is your main duty as a helper?
Taking good care of the baby, 4 years old, and do the household chores, cleaning, washing the dishes, laundry, ironing.
Okay, why suddenly break the contract?
Change employer.
So you change your employer from
Yes.
another employer which is also in the same country,
Yes, sir.
which is Saudi. Okay, tell me about your experience on another employer in Saudi.
I've taken good only a couple and
Okay.
then do the household chores, cleaning, washing, laundry, and ironing.
Okay, but you finish your contract here or you break the contract?
Break the contract,
Why?
family problem.
Okay, you have a family problem.
Yes.
So you decided to go back to the Philippines.
Yes.
But your employer knows about that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have another experience also in Qatar, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper in Qatar.
Also take good care of the baby, 5 years old, do the household chores, cleaning, ironing, washing the dishes.
Okay. And you have another experience in Oman for 4 years, your last employer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are your main duty as a helper there?
Focus on the 1 year old baby and the 8 years old, and do also the household chores, cleaning, washing, laundry, ironing.
And you also cooking, right?
Yes, sir.
And you also take marketing sometimes.
Sometimes, sir.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a 1-year-old baby, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for this 1-year-old baby?
First, I will wash my hands and wash the bottle, sterilize, and then put this exact amount of milk and put the lukewarm water, shake well, and then check the temperature and give it to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the fever, temperature, and then check the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature, the diaper, you also feed the baby, everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call my employer to ask what will I do because the baby is not stop crying.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because the Hong Kong is safest place and then they offer high salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Until I finish my contract and then until they want me to work with them.
Okay, so it is okay to you to extend your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitor and they want to go inside?
First, I will ask my employer if they have expecting visitor, and then if they tell me they don't have, I will not allow the strangers to enter the room, the
House.
house.
Okay, because it's too dangerous to entertain people that your employer doesn't know, right?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir.
Okay, but it is okay to you to learn.
Yes, I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Watching from YouTube and buy some cooking book.
Okay, and also if your employer have a time to prepare foods for themselves, you could also help them how do they prepare so that you could learn, and also be honest to them that you don't know how to prepare Chinese food, and if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if your employer provides some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they
Yes,
provide.
sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday set up by your employer.
Yes, sir.
I saw that you have a long hair. It is okay to you to cut into short.
Yes, sir.
If there's any instances that one of your employer family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I'm hardworking, trusty, and lovable. I will treat your child as my own. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Glyza. Thank you.
Thank you.